General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, time to do the work. Midweek. Do we feel like this Wednesday is the low? Just way too clean. How we came up and cleared out these equal highs. It still was kind of like a 50-50 situation going into today's trading. In my opinion, it was. All right, so midweek, this Tuesday high is created. New York, I don't think that's safe, honestly. But it is options expiry week, and today's Thursday. Yeah, so Friday, I'm not expecting no big anything, especially with a week like this. If anything, I would expect to sell off just to finish off whatever other options expire. We just had quad witching, so it ain't the big one. And I think they really loading up on SPY. It is. Should be only this. I don't like this though. I don't like the low resistance liquidity run. Yeah, I think this is gonna stay. How we cleared this out. Perfect time. We cleared this out, took out all the news stuff. The news has been good. We even reused this. So for the midweek assessment, I'm gonna say this Wednesday low is safe. It'll take something to really flip that Nasdaq. It's more, I would say more so for Nasdaq because we got like after we closed above like how we left this, we really kind of. The only thing I don't like though is this. This is this is leftovers. It's a liquidity pool. It's equal lows. Yeah, it's too much like right. Yeah, so Nasdaq I don't trust. This could retrace here and then just start milling. Especially with how we have this range. It's not a monthly range, but it's like a weekly tariff range. And we never did get this December low. I'm calling this the tariff range because we've been in here too. We've been trying to figure out the tariffs. I'll say the Wednesday is cool. Friday, I don't expect too much. Ever. See this. And after we had a big giant week like this, we should expect some chop. Kind of makes sense. And stay low. We'll hold. We've been stuck in a range for maybe like 5 or 6 weeks. Price been choppy, but we see it coming based on where we open in the range. This week is it's good. Case study. This price. It's in distortion. Mm, There's a few things left over. Monthly is inside. Weekly is inside. And daily is inside. No bias. Monthly, weekly, and daily. And inside bars. Expansion mitigation signals. It's range bound market. Probability when we know it's chop city. Narrative framework accuracy. We are waiting for better delivery. Experience success or failure. Mm, The successes. Lord, what's called the child. Who will be a failure? Failure would be Mr. Day. Chart work this week. Case study vault reference. Yeah, not really. Nothing stood out. Yeah, I had to double up on the day. I want to make sure I lock these habits in. Mm, what else going on? I'll say unclear. Sideline. Mm, yeah, low. The anchor point is confirmed this Wednesday. Let me do it right here. Just a cross out. Yes, expansion is playing out. No, this isn't here. Here. Mm, price just ran up overnight and we rebalanced in New York PM session. That shortcut, right? Mm, New York session chopped and rebalanced in PM session. Right now, there's no reason to sell. I'll take this off because in all actuality, I want to buy here and then this will be my invalidation for the buy. Mm, and I'll target here. This candle don't even got a wick, so it's inefficient. That'll be my idea for tomorrow. If we go below here, then it could be targeting here. Close below, retrace. That'll be, previous day low. Previous day low does look interesting. We got all this here, but we might just leave it and push. This is a huge fair value gap too. I'm not gonna mark it out. It'll be too much stuff on the lower time frame. here. I would want to see a London low day setup or a New York TE setup. Really ain't got it. You can go ahead and that is the target. It looks different though from here. Yeah, we already wicked that. Now we just in this range, tacky range. You never know. Options is probably could just slide. Stick in the range. Choose risk. Select creates. Oh snap. Mm-hmm. Same thing here, but we reuse this. And we do got this. Yeah, it's a weak low. So we're giving ourselves like previous day's low and that order block high as objectives. Mm, same idea here. We'll look for the buys and SPX would be better. Buys. Here. Yeah, see, we got the same low. I don't like this low. But we don't got the same. And it's do like this. This is a good invalidation because it's an order block that's already been manipulated. And it does have the same target. Same for sale. So it breaks the invalidation. It's cool for selling from here to here. It's beautiful because we got the equal lows. This is weakness and all that stuff down there too. So I kind of like what it did today because it put us to here or to here. So as long as it don't get both swept in London and you wake up and there's nothing left on the table, it should be okay. Where's the picture? Okay, there we go. Is something running? Mm-hmm. Don't even need nothing new there, really. It's the same thing. This is a little bit different. We did get the internal range liquidity. If we didn't, we just like engineered some more of just trend line liquidity. It's crazy how much stuff is up here. Let's do this because it looks like it's too much on my daily chart. Okay. Yeah. Just making a tight range. This is a part of price discovery, gapping and balancing and Trump. Mm, this is still just hold it. You can tell the adults not in the room. This price is not trending or dropping. What are they waiting for? Oh yeah, earnings. Earnings is coming up. Tariffs. My framework can't play out. I learned about patterning myself. Getting better. Good days. What will I watch for tomorrow? Great. All right. That's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.